Well, YouTube, I'm attempting to go for a ride. It's been like 5 days. Again, haven't been doing too good the past few days, so not doing too good right now. It's currently February the 26th, about 9 in the morning, I think. I don't know. It's Wednesday. It's pretty warm out here already. It says like 58 on my computer, but it's like, it's got to be 70 out here, so I guess winter's over. Oh well, we didn't get very much of a winter this year. Oh man. I was feeling really bad. I thought I was going to end up in the hospital again, but I managed to keep my shit together and not go, so that's cool, I guess. Probably just going to be taking it easy and cruising around here today. I don't really feel like venturing far away right now. Just do a little 10-20 minute ride and go home, I guess. I don't know. Running on one broken spoke on the rear wheel, so hopefully no more brake. My left shoelace is kind of loose. I just noticed. I thought my shoe felt a little loose. It's not going to come undone though. It just feel as snug as usual. I was going to go for a ride yesterday when I just couldn't do it. Kept feeling good and bad and said screw it, I'll just try to go today, and here I am today. Still trying to get rid of this damn bacterial infection in my stomach. Nothing's working really though. I just bought a probiotic and a vitamin C supplements today. They'll be here hopefully by the time I get home. I can try taking those. Those are supposed to help with it, so hopefully those will do something. This shit's getting kind of ridiculous. Supposed to be getting our hot water heater and basically our lines flushed today because we've had no water pressure at all for like a while, and it's all corroded, and Mom's going to pay him like $100 plus he's going to cover the cost of the filter and the vinegar or whatever to clean it out. We've got a tankless water heater, but it's gas, it's not electric. So nothing much else has been happening lately. At all, really. Just kind of kicking it in my room. Feeling like crap. Not sure if I'm going to go all the way to the park today or not. I might. I don't know. I just like cruising through these streets right here because it's so much more scenic than like my usual rides, and since I have to kind of merge between the side streets, it's a little less linear and a bit more exciting and more curvy. So I started taking my blood pressure medication. I took that a few hours ago, and I think it might be helping because I do feel a little bit better. I can never tell if I have high blood pressure, if I don't have high blood pressure. I don't even freaking know. May have been getting false positives because of the other infection in my stomach this whole time. I don't know. I guess I am going to the park. It's Wednesday though, it's not going to be anybody out there. It's school day in the middle of the day. Those are some like elementary school kids at the skate park have year round or something, because we have a North Park I know is year round because I went there. Let's say they may have switched back though to regular school schedule by this time. I don't know. I'm talking year-round, back in like 1988 or 1987 is when I went there. Long-ass time ago. It feels really nice out here. Very nice day today. Just wish I felt better to enjoy it more. And my brakes, I haven't adjusted my brakes yet. Again, I need to. Still haven't done it. A lot of cars over here today for it being a school day. That's weird. Oh, no one's at the skate park. Maybe I'll go to the skate park and scope it out one of these days and just like record people doing skateboard and bike stuff. I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen any bikes there. I've only seen like scooters and skateboards there though. No, it's not a very big skate park. I don't think it's really big enough for bikes. Well, I stopped taking my anxiety medication for about a week, but I'm back on it again. I thought it was making my chest hurt, but I don't think it's I don't think that's the problem. I think it's something else. I keep looking up like side effects of it online, and I keep getting conflicting results. So I have no idea whether it is causing chest pain or not. I just looked at a whole list of things that you're not supposed to take with it, though. But I haven't been taking any of those things with it, so there's a massive list of stuff. But I always check my drug interactions. Like when I get something new prescribed, I always go online. And it's the first thing I do is make sure that nothing I'm taking is going to interfere with it or cause a bad reaction. Getting old sucks, man. Especially when you're not healthy to start out. I have so many regrets in my life because of just my diet and my weight and just other shit. Wish there was time travel so I could go back and fix my shit, but oh well. Go tell old me or young me, hey man, don't do all this shit, bro. Fucks up your life, man. Avoid these people and don't eat this and don't work here and don't do that, you know. That'd be awesome. If we were born with the option of a do-over, some kind of cosmic do-over, that'd be fucking great. I'd go back in time and warn the world about Donald Trump. I realized something. If something ever happens to me when I'm on my bike, I'm glad I have my camera and a mic hooked up, so if I'm about to die or something, at least I can say goodbye. Hopefully my people will be smart enough to watch my video. I'm sure my roommate would be. He's pretty tech savvy. My mom, no. My roommate knows how to use my cameras, though. So at least I have that. It's always nice, little peace of mind. Peace of morbid mind. I'm gonna go cruise around up in these streets over here to my left in a second here. Got to get to a particular street though. I can feel the wind whistling or howling hollowly through my right earlobe or ear. It's weird. Making that hollow wind noise. I'm like, okay. Trying to say I don't have a brain or something. There's an echo in my head. What the hell? I think I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna go home now. I don't want to push myself too much. I still don't feel great. Yeah, I'm gonna go home now. I'm done. That was good. Probably squeezed out about 4 miles. Round trip there. Ah, shit. Almost lost my grip. That would have sucked. It's one thing you gotta remember. You don't really want to let go of your grip too much on these streets around here because they're just way too jacked up. That's an improvement, man. Like I said, I thought I was going to end up in the ER like the last whole 5 days. Yeah, 4 miles exactly. Cool. So that's an improvement. Hopefully I'll keep improving and be able to ride longer tomorrow. Who knows, maybe I'll be able to ride later this afternoon or something. I don't know. It's not going to take like about an hour for my bike to charge back up now. I only lost just like 1 bar on the rear battery. See how it goes. I am kind of sleepy though. I'm tired. Been up since like 9 o'clock last night or something. I was kind of sleeping in and out all day yesterday. Trying to feel better. Sorry if I'm sounding super negative right now, but that's all that's going on in my life. Trying to be positive, it's not working. Okay. I really need to go in and order some groceries. I've been eating toast for like the last 3 days in a row. Pretty much all I can stomach right now anyway. Anything else seems to irritate the living crap out of me, so. Alright, well, remember, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thanks for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. There's quite a few of you. We're up to over 1,720 subscribers. That's freaking awesome. I'm still getting shitty comments from people saying, well, you're asking for subscribers and your content sucks, and then I just block them. So you're wasting your breath if you're thinking like that and you're posting like that on my comments. Nobody's gonna see them, so I'm not even removing them anymore. I'm just blocking, hiding the comments from view. That way they can keep posting whatever they want, thinking that they're being witty and insulting me, but in reality, nobody's seeing any of it. So figure if they want to mess with me, I'll mess with them, you know. Be a little vengeful every so often. It's good for your soul. Get it out. All right, well, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I will see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.